So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can add your friends on your Snapchat. So if you're facing that problem that you won't be able to add your friends on your Snapchat, then you're on the right video. So first of all, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel to get the new notifications of my videos. So without wasting any time, first of all we have to open our Snapchat, and after opening the Snapchat you have to click on your profile, and after that here you can see the option of add your friends. So we have to click on that, and after that when we try to add our friends, it's just loading and take a long time to add our friends, and sometimes it failed to add. For example, here you can see I am adding my friends and there's just loading. So how we can fix this error? So go back to your main menu, and after that you have to open your Play Store. After opening the Play Store, here you have to search Snapchat. Here we go. And after that you can see there is an update pending, so you have to simply update your Snapchat. After updating your Snapchat, you have to go back to your main menu, and after that you have to open your settings. After opening the setting, you have to scroll down and you have to search the apps. You can see apps, you have to click on that. After that you get the search bar in the corner, so you have to search the Snapchat. You have to click on that, and after that you have to open the storage of the Snapchat, and simply you have to clear the cache, and after that you have to clear the data after clicking on the OK. So after doing that, you have to go back to your main menu, and now we check that our problem is fixed now or not. We have to open our Snapchat. After opening the Snapchat, you have to click on your profile, and after that add friends. So now we try to add the friends. So you can see now our friends are adding. So if my video is helpful for you, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.